Monday, it was a really unusual day. We had lots of ducks being admitted. In the morning we had 3 ducklings brought in. Then a little bit later in the day we had a road accident duck brought in, an adult female, and she had quite a sore eye. It was very sore, but the actual eye itself was intact, which is really lucky. And other than that, she was quite unharmed, so we popped her in a cage and moved on to the next patient. The next thing we had brought in was 6 ducklings, and they were found on a road. That was all the information I had at that point, so I thought, well, perfect, we've got the 3 orphan ducklings from that morning. We'll try and smuggle them in together because ducklings always do better in a bigger group. So we put them all in together. They got on just fine. But then reception came over and told me that the mother duck was from Abenjahammer, but they'd found the babies on the same road in Abenjahammer, different member of the public. It had to be her babies. We thought we'd give it a try with putting them together, and as soon as she saw them, she greeted them and then immediately put her wings out so that they could hide underneath her wings. So she was the mother. It's this sort of thing that is the reason that we do this job. Everybody was all like oohing and ahhing, and it was just so cute that it was a reuniting via a hospital by sheer coincidence that they all got brought in. It's absolutely brilliant that everybody donated for this badger and everybody supported us to help her, and now she's back with her baby, so it's a really happy ending.